Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to make the cutest card using just strips. I've got a lot of great Christmas cards coming at you this week, and we're going to go ahead and start adding some strips on here. And the strip sizes, they vary. We've got 3 different sizes on there, and let me see if I have written those down here. Let's see. The smallest is 1/4 of an inch. The outer is 1.5 inches, and the other is in between. So we're just using a basic 5 1/4 by 4 piece of white strip here that's going to go around a white base. So I just want to show you, I've got these 4 strips. They're from the Take a Bow Designer Series paper pack. Perfect for Christmas. They come with so many. I think it's maybe even 10 strips each. So it's a great little thing. So I put the first 4 all the way on the bottom straight across. And then I'll show you here that I'm putting the bottom one to match the bottom. And then when I go in, I'm starting right at that red one, because I don't want the red to go all the way down. I want it to meet up, and so it looks like a square. And then the next one I'm going to do, which is a polka dot. Nope, flipped it the wrong way. A polka dot there. And then finally that little teeny tiny candy cane stripe right along where the candy cane starts. So you see it makes a nice little square L type, perfect. So we're going to get that last one on there. And then I used that Mary that came from the Greetings of the Season stamp set, just using the Mary. And then I've got this Christmas. This came from the Peaceful Seasons. It's the word Christmas, but it also has die cuts of Christmas. So you can use, here what I used, basic white with some real red, and then when you put them together, it just makes this perfect Christmas. So you'll notice here that the eye is going to be red, and I don't have it there, but that's on purpose. My goodness. Let me get this. Me and my glue issues sometimes. So we're just going to get that lined up really nicely here. And there we go. And now I have a little bit of glue here and there on my fingers. We'll figure that out. So I'm just checking to make sure all the pieces are glued down here. And then for that eye, I'm going to use a little peppermint, adhesive back peppermint that you've seen me use so many times before. I just love them. But let's go ahead and move forward here. We're going to put that Christmas. Oh, what am I doing here? I am going to put the little candy cane right over that eye, so it just is adorable. Okay, now I'm going to get some mini dimensionals. We're going to put that in various places along the Christmas, so it'll pop up rather nicely. And there, I tried to get a little teeny tiny piece because I cut the edge really small to fit in there. So that's how I do that. I love the mini dimensionals, and I love the large dimensionals as well. It's just, I always use that saying, when in doubt, pop it out. So, okay, now we're going to place that Christmas right under the Mary. And look at how cute that is. A quick, easy card to use your scraps with. And so it's just a very nice, apparently I decided we're going to pop that up as well. So I'm going to use, again, the edges of the dimensionals because you get to use every single part of that paper. And then I'm going to use some random dimensionals in the middle and the sides. And we've got my take your pick tool, can't live without that. And I'm just going to grab the backings off there. I usually grab them all at the same time because they stick pretty well, but apparently I wanted to collect them, to be able to throw them away. So there we go. We put that on and look at this great card. So now I'm going to decorate the envelope as well because I have this perfect piece of designer series paper that's going to just fit right over the envelope backing there. And you guys, if you use DSP, you can do this with any of your DSPs that you use on your cards and it matches beautifully. So if you are interested in getting any of the DSP or any of the items, I would definitely suggest a take your pick tool if you don't already have them. And then these paper snips work amazingly. You can go right where you see BeautyandtheStamper.com and then just click on this shop Stampin' Up. Or if you wanted to go directly, you can go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net and I will put all of that information in the description for you. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye. Okay, that didn't sound right. I think I got scared. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.